I gave you my heart.
Yo, me hit that water, man. Word up, man. It's hot out here, man. Yo, word up, man. Yo, fuck this, man.
Making asses shake and windshields break. It's DJ
Let's do speakers and bands. Niggas hanging with their lens, making ends. We bouncing in the city. Summertime in the city, yeah, yeah. Summertime in the city, the city. Summertime in the city, the city. Summertime in the city. In every barrel there's a pool. A nigga smoking blunts and drinking brew, cause that's the way that us niggas do. When the boards in the air, playing concrete sports, and shorties walk around and they do shit.
Hey guys, just want to do a quick little unboxing of what Tony sent me. I know I haven't posted in a few days. I've been working till dark every day. I haven't had time to do anything. We've been doing this roof, and it's been making me really tired. So by the time I get home, I try to get on here to do things, and then I end up falling asleep. But had a little time this morning because it rained a little last night. We got to wait for it to dry, so I'm gonna try to get one in real quick. Anyway, this is what Tony sent me. We'll go through this real quick. I mean, real fast. Maybe I'll show it in more detail in another video, but for now, we'll just see what he got. Sent me a luminous lithium sticker, which I need to get one of those batteries. Everybody's recommending it. Big Taramps sticker. It's like the one that I got on the back of my car, which is cool because I can replace that one. It's starting to mess up. A bunch of these. These are all the Y splitters. You know, put one in, 2 female, 1 male. So got those. These things I really wanted. I really appreciate that, Tony. It's It's way better than bus bars I got on there from Wally World. I was going to buy some, but Tony hit me up real quick, told me not to, because he said he had these on the way. These are really nice. These center things come out, so you can put bigger gauge in there. There's 6 inputs on each terminal, so, and they're heavy. These are going to be great on my battery setup. I think this is like a relay fuse thing. A bunch of those separately. See, and then so we got them. This here, I asked him what it was. I thought it was what I thought it was, and it is. This is a light display, so it's kind of flat. And you can put this around inside your car, your speaker box, or whatever, and it lights up. And he sent some toggle switches to go with that. Some more top post connector terminals with some wing nuts, so you can put like lugs on these. A distribution block that goes on, I think, a top post terminal or something. 2 outputs, looks like 0 gauge by Scorpion, really nice. A bunch of little distribution blocks for speakers. It's got these are the bus bar, actually not distribution blocks, but bus bars. Oh no, these are distribution blocks. And then you take these, and then it's got these that you can, that way you can have them all hooked up, and then just hook your positives. And they got these in also in that, so ground, so you could do it one for ground, and then you do another one for all your do this one for positive, this one for ground, or something like that, you know what I mean? And hook all your speaker wires up, which is really cool. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Another bass knob, which I already got one, but this one's pretty cool. This is by Scorpion. I already took it out and turned it. It flows really smooth. It's always good to have that. A fan. This is really awesome. I'm going to hook this up, and he sent, like I said, a thing of toggle switches so I can turn this off and on anytime I want. I'm going to have that. When I reset everything up with the 8K amp, I'm going to have this facing it. A bunch of nylon sleeving for your speaker wires. It's a whole roll. It's really cool. See if I can get to where the glare don't hit it. Yeah. You kind of see it. Like my camera just doesn't focus good. But anyway, that's by Crico. Looks really cool. That's going to help protect my wires. Well, of course, I don't have nothing really under the hood because my battery comes factory in the trunk. 2 SCAR crossovers. Awesome. Hook those up. So here's the other one. He sent me a lot of stuff to help me with this. An RCA distribution. Put your main signal in, and then you got 4 different outs. If you're running multiple amplifiers, this is really good, especially if you're running like a lot of mids and highs and you got a couple mids and highs amps or whatever. I wouldn't want to really split my sub signal with my, mix my sub signal with my highs and mids. I couldn't do it that way, but you could use it for one or the other. Another distribution. These screw out right here, and then you put your wire in it, and it tightens it down in there. It's a big boy. It's got 3. I got one that's got 2, so this is nice. And last but not least, the toggle switch I was talking about. I'll take one out. See, it's pretty cool. I hooked that up with this fan here and with the light. I don't know. The light's got maybe its own switch. I don't know. But yeah, he sent me all this stuff, man. What do you guys think? Appreciate that, Tony, man. That's awesome. I'm really looking forward to hooking all this up this weekend. I haven't had time, guys. It's supposed to like snow this weekend, so I'm going to try to get some of this done. It's been a time issue lately. I've been working so much. We've been trying to get stuff done at work. We got so much things going on. But anyway, I just wanted to put this up real quick just to show you guys what he sent. The 2 demos I got in this video, they're with how I had it set up last week. I haven't even had a chance to even mess with it, to change anything, so it's exactly the same as it was. So don't hold it against me if the quality ain't the greatest, dudes. I'm gonna tighten it up this week and and then we'll check it out then. You know, I'm gonna put some of this stuff in. It's gonna be fun. So anyway, looking forward to that. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Subscribe if you haven't already. Man, we're like right there at 500 dudes. So come on, man, get your friends, get them subscribed, man. But I appreciate all the support, guys, man. You know, with your guys' help, you know, I've based some of my decisions on things that you guys told me, and I'm glad to help y'all. So anything you ever need to know or anything, I'll help you with. Like I've said a million times, I don't know everything, but I know a little bit. And, you know, if you got a system, I'll try to subscribe to you. If I got time to check out your channel and everything, I try to click on people's channel when I see their comments and see if they have content. And if they do, then I usually try to just subscribe to them. You know, no matter how big or how small, if you like it, I love it. And that's for real. Anyway, I'll catch you more this weekend. We're going to do some epic videos coming up. I just know it. My boy Tony that sent this, he's got an epic build. I'll ask him if I can have permission. I have photos that he sent me, but I'm not going to put them on unless he gives me permission to put them up. But he's got a hell of a system that's doing 163 dB. It broke one windshield. He's fixing to get even another amp and another 15. So I think he's got resilient sound, platinums it looks like. And he's got like 3 15K bass Taramps. He's trying to hit 167. He said, y'all. Well, I'll be glad when I get up to that kind of level. But for now, man, I'm the budget bass head build. You know, I'm doing what I can for y'all. And I know you guys are probably, a lot of you guys are right there with me. So anyway, it's fun doing this stuff. I love the bass head community, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Late.
Been through it all, man. Blood, sweat, and tears. Niggas is dead and shit.
Popping cones and attracting hoes. This is DJ Rusticles.
I don't think once more, so I don't know. Yeah, seen it all and been through it all, yo. Y'all niggas know right now. Yo, the mother for real. Hey, baby. The truth. Yeah.
Yo, blowing niggas way plus the ass, things giving them bones. I'm a fucking claim to fame for when you west. When it rains, it falls, and all in it with the fall, and even over from a hole in the wall. Look at me, niggas wanna clap me, niggas wanna rap me, put it right when they back me. I'm on close to enemies, they were closer. Sending kites with the Motorola's, yo, give them the whole shoulder with a hollow tip to match. Bad apple out of the back, such a gat, it's a little cool, you niggas pull up that piece. Niggas can kill me, but they coming with me. Couple pound gas and a twig meaning attack. Only your fly bitch like that. Cause you can laugh, rockin' the sleep. Make you think you want his head. I smile up in your face while I'm lighting the stairs.
It's the word shit, shit to make you feel shit. Dump them in the club shit. Have you rockin' out when you bump this. In your ears on the wall uncut. Have a nigga on the beat, touch never enough. It's the word shit, shit to make you feel shit. Dump them in the club shit. Have a nigga OT, cause it's never enough. Hot damn hold, here we go again. Like it's a rock, bitch, hard as a pop, bitch. This shit not for blocks, we hard tops in the parking lot. Where my nigga rock like this fuck a lot. I put non-style speak for itself, like a wrestler. Another notch under my belt, the embezzler, chrome treasurer, the UNO competitor. I'm 10 steps ahead of ya, I'm a leader, down for following shit. Coming in this game on some modeling shit. Bitches suck hot just to get to the top. I put 100% in every line I drop. It's the Q to the B with the M-O-B-B. Queensbridge, Brooklyn, and we D-double-E-P. Wow, I wish I lived a life I lived. Yo, Prodigy, tell them what this is, done. Yo, make you feel shit. Dump in the club, shit. Have you riding out when you bump this. Well, see the ears from the world cup. Have a nigga OG, cause it's never enough. Yo, what's the weird shit? Make you feel shit. Dump in the club, shit. Have you riding out when you bump this. See the ears from the world cup. Have a nigga OG, cause it's never enough.
Never get enough of it. Yo, that's my shit. I need that shit. You boost my adrenaline, you rock that shit. That real life shit. Makes bitches wanna thug it. Makes the projects love it. You come through like fuck it. No one problem, let's do it. Let's do it. Infamous small bosses. Check out the portrait at the round table. My third speaker with his drink goes. Gangsta, how we rock. when my niggas selling the place, man, you gotta love it.
Make you feel sick, jumping in the club, shit, everybody out with it,